You are going to love the 2019 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport, which was assembled in Lafayette, Indiana, also gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.